Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to push the limits of your gaming experience? The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is a behemoth of a laptop that's designed to deliver unparalleled performance, style, and features that will make all your gaming dreams a reality. But what really sets this laptop apart from the rest? Let's cut to the chase. The gaming market has evolved significantly over the years, and with every new release, you can expect even more intense competition, higher resolutions, and faster frame rates. The problem is, these advancements have led to laptops that have become increasingly difficult to manage in everyday life, not just gaming. Imagine lugging around a large, heavy laptop just to enjoy a 4K gaming session or editing videos. Or picture this, dealing with lag, overheating, or battery life issues during that critical gaming session. That's exactly where the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 comes in. A powerhouse designed specifically to tackle the most demanding tasks and still offer seamless performance in casual use. First impressions are everything, and the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 doesn't disappoint. Its sleek design not only makes it a head-turner, but also ensures it's robust, with precision-crafted aluminum construction that exudes durability. You can feel the solid build quality with an even weight distribution that makes it easy to carry around, perfect for gamers on the go. Let's talk about the most striking aspect of this laptop, its display. The 16-inch WQXGA OLED panel boasts an impressive 500 nits brightness, which is ideal for viewing content in any lighting condition. Moreover, the 240 Hz refresh rate makes it suitable for fast-paced games, guaranteeing a smoother gaming experience. The HDR 1000 True Black and 100% DCI P3 are icing on the cake, delivering an immersive viewing experience with vibrant colors and an astonishing contrast ratio. Now, let's dive deeper into the specifications that set this laptop apart. The Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX processor features an impressive 24 cores, comprising 8 performance cores, P-core, and 16 efficient cores, E-core. The P-cores provide the necessary horsepower for demanding tasks like gaming and video editing, while the E-cores focus on background tasks like streaming, web browsing, and even gaming. This results in exceptional battery life, as these efficient cores manage power consumption more effectively. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GB GDDR7 is an engineering marvel that powers this laptop's graphics capabilities. With a 175W TGP and a boost clock of 2287 MHz, it tackles 4K gaming with aplomb, providing seamless frame rates and silky smooth visuals. We also have 32 GB of DDR5 memory running at 6,400 metric tons per second, ensuring even the most demanding applications run smoothly. The storage consists of a blazing fast 1 TB SSD, utilizing PCI Gen 5 technology for read and write speeds that will blow your mind. But the true magic happens when you fire up this laptop and put it through its paces. In our real-world testing, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 proved to be a true beast. For instance, we ran demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 in 4K at 240 Hz, and we were stunned by the results. The frame rate effortlessly hit 60 frames per second. However, with great power comes great heat, and we did experience some overheating issues during prolonged gaming sessions. However, Lenovo's thoughtful design features, such as the clever venting system and advanced heat sinks, help mitigate this problem. Pros and cons? The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is undoubtedly an exceptional gaming laptop with a wealth of features that make it stand out from the competition. The sleek design, robust build quality, and top-of-the-line performance make it a compelling choice for gamers who crave the best. However, there are some trade-offs to consider. With a 16-inch OLED display comes a higher price tag, and at around $3,000, this laptop is certainly in the premium bracket. To put this into perspective, the Acer Predator Helio 16 comes close to matching the performance of the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10, but lacks the OLED display and similar build quality. Additionally, Dell's Alienware M18X offers an alternative with slightly different strengths. It offers more customization options with their proprietary software. So what's the final verdict? The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 is a phenomenal gaming laptop that excels in every aspect, from performance to build quality to innovative design. It's not perfect, but the strengths far outweigh the weaknesses. If you're a serious gamer who demands the best, I'd highly recommend taking a closer look at this beast of a laptop. With its unbeatable performance, incredible display, and durable build, it's an investment that's sure to last for years to come. Now, it's your turn to experience the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i Gen 10 for yourself. Visit Lenovo's official website to learn more and get your hands on this incredible gaming laptop today.